Okay, everybody. Make sure I'm recording here. Everything is good. Okay, this is another Q&A video. I apologize, first of all, for the delay in getting back with some of you. I just have spent literally the last hour and a half going through the emails, cutting out the questions, replying to some, others cutting out for the Q&A. And as you can see from the list of questions below, we've got over 20 questions, I think 21 questions for this Q&A. So I'm going to try and go through this very, very quickly. Also, if for some reason you haven't seen the emails, the technical issues with the website should be sorted out now. Anyway, we're fixing them. So if you weren't able to log in, or if you did log in and then you were getting unauthorized to view this resource error messages, that should be fixed now. So you should be able to see all the content as we start expanding the website even more. We'll just work it out. Hopefully we won't have these problems in the future. And I had one other thing I was going to talk about, and I forget what it is. So we'll just dive right in. Number one, this is being recorded on August 30th. It is about 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And I have had several questions today and over the last couple of days about the trading that's been going on. And you can see here from the first question, how come my long order of 2.0187 was executed and never reached? Well, first of all, the high over here was 2.0184. Now, if you're going to buy, and first of all, I'm not frustrated with the person that answered this question. This is just an issue, folks, which you have got to understand. And these are the kind of things that can really not only drive you nuts, but they can really cost you a lot of money. So if you're looking to buy at 2.0187, remember this is on the ask. Well, the bid, which is what we see on the chart. Okay, this is just basic stuff that you've got to understand. The bid, or the price that you see on the chart, is going to be between 3 and 5 pips lower. So the bid could be as low as 2.0182. Okay, so that's why it looks like the price was never reached. Okay, it did get there. This was just a situation where the market spiked up. This is exactly what I said you've got to watch out for. Go back and listen to the daily video. The last couple of them I said these are trades you need to watch, specifically because we're in an area where whipsaws are very easy to do. And remember, when I was talking yesterday, it was because the market is so close in here, because the market was so close in here, there weren't any other real patterns other than a double top. You've got to watch out for whipsaws. Okay, sorry. I'm getting a little worked up here. Remember, the worst thing that you can try and do as a trader is make the market do what you want. Yes, there are some trades which are very readily applicable. They're easy to do on an autopilot basis, but not every trade is like that. Okay? Some trades you do need to watch, and I'm trying to get better at telling you when I feel that a trade should be watched. I didn't set these trades on autopilot. Well, actually, you know what? I take that back. Last night I did set them on autopilot. I actually had some different problems. The positions I put on were actually too big to be executed for the account. I was going way too fast. Actually, what happened was I realized late in the afternoon that I'd sent out the video, but I didn't put the trades in. So I went back in, tried to do it very quickly because it's the family time, and I was sort of sneaking back into the office. Which also speaks to another thing which I'll get to these in later questions. Everyone is susceptible to errors.